We have learned a lot from these lands for over 100 years. We have learned that when you give one to these lands, you take 1,000. We've learned that you can do your best if you work hard, be driven and devoted, if you put your experience and sweat on it. We have learned that you can look to the future with confidence. No matter how hard everything seems. We have learned that a seed can be crop. We have learned as much from our farmers as we have from these lands. We will continue to exist for this land today and tomorrow with the world farmers as we did yesterday, with our love for our work and this land. Yesterday, today, tomorrow.